Terminator. Hey, we're here. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Damn, this place is dope. Woo! Okay, we're partying. Whoa, bye-bye.
Beautiful place.
You're welcome. I'll reach the start. Okay, you're good. Yeah, sure. Let's go. I'm liking this place already. We're gonna be having crazy fun.
Right?
Let's go. Woo!
Wait, I dropped my bags and you're expecting me to drop yours?
Justin, be a gentleman and carry my bag upstairs.
That's how you say gentleman, gentleman, and you killed a gentleman.
Look at how beautiful this place is. It even looks more beautiful than what we saw in the picture.
I swear this place is a work of art. It's so beautiful.
Like, look at this. So sweet. What?
This is nice. Yeah,
I did. I thought we were doing one that, right?
that's it too.
Let's go and check it out.
Go check what? This time you should be taking cover. You should hide somewhere. Don't you think so?
Justin! Why are you behaving like a woman? What is all this?
I was just trying to get a drink and the glass is just...
Who are you?
Oh, my name is Harry. I'm Stanley's best friend.
Stanley's best friend.
Yeah.
Stanley didn't tell us he was coming with a friend.
Yeah, it was more like a last minute decision.
Oh. Hi. I am Lily.
Nice to meet you.
And this is my best friend, Justin.
Nice to meet you, Justin. Oh, please make yourself at home. I'm sure Stanley will be here any moment.
Sure. Thank you. So,
Oh, take this bag. For what?
Hey, Stanley!
hi, Stanley. Hello.
What's up, everyone?
Wow, man,
See
finally,
you.
you made it, huh?
Well, you know me.
Finally made it, huh?
This is looking like fun, man, already. Good to see you.
Why did you come on? Why did you bring the pregnant woman here?
Shush.
It's supposed to be a pregnant woman here. Why are you going to have fun?
Down. What is your problem? I'll show you yourself.
Well, guys, meet my new friend. She's Tokwe.
Nice to meet you, Topway.
Same here. Hi, everyone.
And you. I'm here. I'm here. Always good to see you.
Good to see you, too.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm going back to the kitchen now. Get myself
All right.
a drink.
Do your thing. Get me some too. Thirsty. Justin.
You know, I was saying, it's something that everybody.
It is Justin's
Hey,
yeah.
watch your head, watch your head. I forgot it was Justin. Be careful.
Don't bring the pregnant woman to this gathering.
Justin.
She's not a pregnant woman. I mean, she's my friend. I told you that already.
This is supposed to be a serious hand. Don't you get?
Justin, she is not married, is she?
She's not pregnant.
She is a single mother to be. There's a difference.
If I look at this thing, she looks like she's almost gone.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And since when did you become a gynecologist or a midwife?
What I'm trying to say is that we're supposed to have play games and do all these things. And we have to stop the pregnant woman.
Justin, it's okay. We'll go. You need to trust me.
Okay, I'm just telling you that I am not comfortable with the pregnant woman.
It's okay. You are at liberty to have your misgivings about the situation. But at least for once, trust me, right? You need to sort out this sleeping arrangements. Time is fast spent. All right, guys. We've got 3 rooms upstairs. How are we sharing it?
Well, as for me, I just understand that I and my bestie will share one room. Simple.
You don't forget say I be woman.
Yeah, I think all the women can just take one room.
Eh? Who asked you? Were you not the same person that was here when I and my bestie walked into this place? Were you not?
Justin, me and you cannot be in the same room.
Why?
Because you are a man and I am a woman.
What does it matter?
It does matter.
This. Hey! Zika baby! Super pretty, delicious, delivered the food. Ah! What's up? Come here. You can drive on time.
Oh, really?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, guys. Meet Ziki. She's a very good friend of mine. Ziki, meet the house.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Ziki. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, guys. So where are we?
Anyways, so what guys have you guys decided? What do we do? Are you going with your bestie or are all the ladies getting there? Are we going with Harry's option?
Harry's option.
Harry's option. So if you're for Harry's option, can I see your hand in the air?
Yeah! Wow. This is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing. Okay. So, how far gone are you?
6 months.
Wow. I'm so sure you can't wait to see your little one.
Not really.
I am so sorry for prying, okay?
No, no, it's fine. Don't mind me. It's just that when I told him I was pregnant, he told me to terminate it.
What? That's so mean.
I know, right? Well, I refused to do his bidding. So he walked away. And since then, I have not set my eyes on him.
That man is so mean. I mean, why really have to do that? That's extremely mean.
That's what you get when you give someone more love than they deserve. I've learned my lessons. I need to use the restroom.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Hey, you can never change, Justin.
If I change, trust me, you won't like me again. My goodness.
Hey.
So, honestly, it's really so good to have you here, for real. I'm really happy to have you.
I know, right?
Sure.
The life of partner, so I'm here to
Zickalicious, I the boss. So how far now? I mean, how tonight's gonna be? This kind of position. How tonight's gonna be? Talk to me.
The thing they happen for night.
At least you will give me one mouth.
The Chris guy. Whatever we had was in the past, okay?
Okafor's law remain that once eating, always eating. If I chop on once, I go only suck am again.
Now only eating. You know we'll take this one, join her.
Calm down.
You know we'll suck and
anyone
join
you
her.
give me, I go take.
I will slap you, crazy boy.
My baby, come here.
Bye, G.
I love you too
go
much,
down.
trust.
Amen. Why are you smiling?
Smiling. Me?
Yeah, you're smiling. I saw you. Why are you denying it?
No, you saw wrong. I wasn't smiling.
I saw you clearly. Anyway.
How far?
Adi, you know, from tomorrow.
Yeah.
things begins here, around here in earnest. It's 6 days back-to-back mad fun. Back-to-back, non-stop.
Man, what are we even going to be doing for 6 days?
A lot. A whole lot. And one of them includes you doing some freaky mad stuff with a woman around here. Why are you looking at me like that? Yeah, you need to, man. You need to get back into the market, man. Huh? When was the last time you ever had sex?
What does that have to do with anything, man?
A lot, man. Now, listen, man. Since you broke up with that ex of yours, have you ever had anything to do with a woman? Any woman?
I've been busy. Okay. Yeah, I've been busy doing stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, now. So now, get someone here and show me. Do something. Get involved. Honestly, you can't. I mean, like, you can't go on like this. She'll become frigid eventually. Find someone, any of the women here. And of course, that doesn't include Tokwe.
Why is Tokwe off limits?
And why isn't she off limits? Are you asking? Can't you see she's pregnant?
So?
What do you mean so? There is Ziki and there is Lily.
Okay, guy, okay. Yeah. Jokes apart, I'm not cut out for this game. Okay? I'm not interested.
You're not what?
No, I'm not.
No, you should. Honestly.
I'm sorry, we lost her. She's dead. I'm sorry, we lost her. She's dead.
No! No! She can't be dead. She can't be dead. Already? I thought he was responsible.
Oh, good evening, sir.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
As I said, it's a private conversation and...
I hope everything is okay.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay.
I need to change some dollars.
Okay.
Yes, and I don't really know anyone here, and I don't think I trust any of my friends to talk about that, so I wanted to know if you know someone, maybe someone close by.
Oh, that's fine. I know of an Alhaji that actually changes money. So I'll forward you his number so you could call him to come.
Yeah, I think I don't know, it's a large amount of money.
Okay,
I
like
hope
how
it's
much actually?
about $20,000.
Oh, $20,000.
Do you think he can do it?
He's capable. So I'll
Awesome.
just forward his number to you then.
All right, no problem. Thank you
You're
so much.
welcome.
I
Hope you're
appreciate
enjoying
it.
your stay here.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
All right.
I'll be expecting your call,
Sure.
right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so, like you said earlier on, some prehistoric creatures, for instance, like, it's talking about adaptation. Or what's the word again? It's not adaptation, it's evolution, yeah. To get one big, and that's how.
Good morning, everyone.
Hey!
Good morning.
How are you?
How was your night?
Nice, and yours?
Hi, Ziki.
Hi,
Good morning.
Good morning.
How was your night?
Fine.
Best.
Good morning. How was your night?
Yeah.
What's cooking?
I'm good, yeah.
Oh my God,
Wow,
this is
setting it up special.
amazing.
Just wait to see it.
Wow. It's gonna be an amazing breakfast.
Yeah,
What are
sure.
you drinking?
Some wine, very nice, quite dry, it's Chilean. But, Oh, some? It's Chilean, it's really nice. No, please don't say no. Please don't say no. Are you gonna say no to me? Of course.
I don't want to drink.
Why not?
I don't know what to drink.
What's going on?
What's going on with what?
Harry, like, you didn't say good morning to him.
I mean, I said good morning, everyone.
Of course you did, but I mean, you went about hugging everyone, but you didn't give him a hug. What's going on?
I don't understand. Am I obligated to hug him? Do I know him?
Lily, what is going on?
Nothing is going on.
Are you sure about it?
I'm sure. What? This is amazing.
When you have Chef Lee on
Oh
the
shit, Chef Justin!
Nice!
Harry!
I've not seen anything yet. I'm making a masterpiece.
Right. I think I'll sit here and wait.
Guy, what's happening between you and Lily?
That's a very funny question.
Why is it a funny question?
I don't even know the babe for us to be having anything in the first place.
I didn't just see the attitude. What was the attitude she gave you downstairs?
Bro, I don't know. She probably has her reasons, and it is none of my concern.
Are you sure you guys didn't know each other before getting here?
No. From where?
Well, that's weird because Lily doesn't behave that way.
I don't know. Maybe I should just leave. Second day and someone is already carrying face for me. Wants to even punch my face. Guy, I don't know, man. Listen. I should probably just leave because I don't know what I'm doing.
Calm down, Harry. Leave how, where, to what, for what? Huh? Listen, we are here to have fun, unwind, introduce you to people and then socialize. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Which one is leave to where? It's just one of those things when you're around human beings. Human beings are funny.
Alright, fine. If you say so.
Woo! Please don't come around food.
Like Suki is not hungry.
Okay, guys, officially, I think this is the best getaway in my life.
All of a sudden, huh?
I swear.
It is actually. So,
Tell
finally.
me thank you. Great work, Justin. Bestie.
I made it inside my blanket.
Ziki has something to say here.
I said I made the food, not.
Come on, you sliced the time so you broke the egg. That was it.
Prego, do you like it? Does the baby like it? Yeah. Okay, so it must be kicking in ecstasy.
Let's stop talking about children, please. I'm not ready to have a child right now.
Are you
the father of the child?
child phobic? What's the phobia for a child called?
Young
Harry, that's you.
Don't
You have no idea.
Child phobia.
Pregophilia.
Pregophilia. No, not philia. Philia is actually love.
most important thing I know is
Yeah.
that I don't want any challenges to my life.
It's full.
Nobody's saying how nice this meal is. I personally made this.
So I think I'll go first. But then my question goes to Harry.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but look at you came here. Your hair is very coily. Your skin is really, really light. Are you biracial? Because trust me, bleaching won't do this.
What's your
Why are you guys laughing? I mean, did I ask a funny question?
Yes, it's actually very hilarious.
Okay. To answer your question, my father is Nigerian and my mom is white.
Okay.
Are you satisfied now?
Okay, my turn. So my question also goes to Harry.
Harry again. Harry Maguire.
Yeah.
Harry the hot guy. Harry the hot guy. What have you done?
So I just want to know.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Are you single? Do you have someone in your life?
Application.
1 + 1.
At the moment, I am single.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Are you sure?
Okay, my turn.
Bestie! Hit me. Come on. I'm ready for your
Question
question.
goes to Harry.
Sure.
So, Harry,
Yeah.
do you consider yourself a loose guy?
Sorry. Can you say that again, please?
As in, do you consider yourself a loose guy? Like a guy that goes for anything? A guy that is not disciplined?
Wow.
And that was how the guy bought the property. When I got the alert, see my commission, I was super excited. I was like, is this how it works? Like, just like
Really
that.
nice. Who's walking like
Wait,
that?
who is there? Hold on. How far?
Can I see you
Okay,
right now?
I'm coming. I'll be back.
Yeah, sure.
Can you look into my eyes and tell me what is on my mind?
I'm really sorry about what I said. I know I said what was mean, and I'm sorry. Come on, I'm sorry now. Haba, it's me. I'm sorry.
Seems to forget that sorry doesn't fix everything.
I know, and I know I said something wrong. That's why I'm truly sorry. Come on, smile for me now.
Are you sure you won't do it again?
I promise I won't.
Sure.
Sure. So come here. Come here, big bear. Whoa. Big bear. You're so naughty.
You need to finish my makeup.
Baby. So should I help you?
Nah. What do you know?
We don't finish.
So, are you sure you don't want to go with us?
Nah, I'd rather be home. That much noise is not for me.
Are you sure? It's going to be fun though.
I'll pass.
You want to miss on all those fun? Anyway, I'm going to enjoy myself. So, how do I look?
You look beautiful, as always.
Thank you. Okay, so let me get going.
Okay.
Listen, if you need anything, call me, okay? All right?
I will. You have fun, okay?
All right, don't miss me too much, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.
don't have it like that.
Oh.
My bestie don't have it like that.
Hey!
The party was bad.
I didn't.
It can go with your bad, your wallet, your
Hey,
bad.
don't touch me, you can't afford me.
And the money cannot buy you.
But I see you
Yo,
money, you know
bro,
that?
the party was endless.
I just want to close.
Oh.
Woo!
Hey!
My
Woo!
mama-
Talk
my
back!
mama-
I had fun! Oh, pregnant!
You look like my grandma. It's my grandma's Where is pregnant? So pregnant. Where is pregnant? So pregnant.
It's my bag.
So pregnant. Pregnant. Pregnant ass.
Hey. 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 Aren't you going upstairs?
I like you.
Oh. You're up.
What is going on? What am I doing here? How did I get into your room?
I carried you, of course.
That's not what I mean. I mean, how did I get into your room? How did you bring me into your room?
You really don't remember anything, do you?
If I did, I wouldn't be asking.
First of all, this is for you. And if you must know about that night, let's just say it was a pretty eventful evening. All right, I think you've had a lot to drink. Let's go upstairs. Come.
Oh, stop it.
Come here, come here.
Stop
Come,
it.
come. Get up. Get up. Easy. Yeah, taking her to her room. She's
About
she's drunk.
Yeah, I know. Can you please take her to your room?
Why?
Stanley's in our room.
Stan.
Yeah, so just please take her. Take her to your own room. Hey!
Alright, come on, get up. Come. Yeah, one more step. Another one. Keep going. Keep going. Easy. You're almost there now.
Can you look into my eyes and tell me what is on my mind?
So you saw everything?
Cute.
Can you look into my eyes and tell me?
I'm asking you, Justin. Justin, I'm asking you, answer me. Justin! Justin, if you can't be with me so badly, then what am I doing here? Huh? Why did you ask me to leave everything I'm doing and come on this stupid getaway?
Can you just stop being dramatic and lower your voice? We're not the only ones.
And I'm going to shut down this apartment if you don't give me tangible reason why you've been deceiving me all along.
Zeki, I am in love with somebody else.
You are in love with someone else. And who is that person? Answer me, Justin. Who is that person? Lily. Your best friend, Lily. You know, Justin, I've always known you're a stupid man, but as to my notice that you are also blind, that you can't see that this girl doesn't want you. Justin, are you blind? Are you blind? Can't you see this girl? I'll be flirting around with Harry. Can't you see, Justin?
Stop saying what you don't know.
Oh, great. She's here. Ask her. Just last night, she confessed her feelings to Harry.
What is going on?
She told her that she likes him and even spend the night with him. Ask her.
Lily, is that true?
Is what true?
Answer the damn question.
No, no, no. You will not raise your voice at me like that. I am not your baby sister. Don't.
Lily, for 5 years, I stuck by you. I was by you all this while, trying to prove to you that I love you. But no. 3 days, we got to this vacation, and what did you do? You opened your leg for a man.
You won't talk to me in that manner. How dare you?
What's wrong with you, man? Just what's come over you? What's the matter with you?
What did happen? What's going on here?
You don't want to see you anywhere close to Lily again. Ever. She's mine. Don't you get it?
What's come over you?
Rubbish! Stupid!
Stop this thing, man. Stop this thing,
What?
Harry.
Stop what? You thought I came all the way from the US to come to Nigeria and fight because of a woman?
He was just angry.
Angry for what? What is he angry about?
It's okay, man. It's okay. But did you really spend the night with Lily?
Bro, really? She and I came back. I saw her drunk, passed out, literally in the living room. I was trying to take her to her room, and then Tobe tells me that you're already sleeping there. Then I took her to my room, helped her out. I was trying to help her. How does that make me a bad person? How?
I understand. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. It's just 4 more days.
I'm so calm. I'm very calm. All right? But the whole thing is just nonsense. I can't wrap my head around it.
It's okay, Harry. It's just 4 more days and everyone goes their separate
Maybe
ways.
I should just leave because I don't know what I'm doing here for 4 more days. There's nothing literally doing here.
You can't leave. You can't. Calm down. We came here to unwind.
Yeah, well, does it look like I'm unwinding? If it's not Lily trying to give me some stupid attitude, it's Justin wanting to punch my face.
Harry, listen to me. For my sake, just calm down. I'll go speak with Justin right now and then Everything will be sorted, okay? Just calm down. We're all friends now. It's okay, man. All right? Please, for my sake, okay? Justin, what's come over you? Even if you wanted Lily, do you think you will get her by portraying that act of irresponsibility downstairs?
Stanley, you know me. No, you know me very well. I'm not a violent person. I'm playful, but I don't like violence. 5 years I've been chasing Lily. 5 good years I chased Lily. Okay, there's time I told her, okay, please, can we move forward? She said no, she sees me as a friend and she doesn't want anything more. And I'm like, oh God, can you think about it? And she said she's going to think about it. I've been thinking about it for 5 years, all for her to come here 3 days ago and see a man, and before you know it, she opened her leg for the man. How painful. If not, you don't go pay you.
Listen, for the 5 years you've been chasing Lily, you've been sleeping with Ziki. Is that right or wrong? Which of these women do you really want?
Rose girl. Who would I want? She's a Rose girl. I can't like her. That girl everywhere. If you check there everywhere. It has scattered. I would not carry her and go to my house. When I see her, I'll be happy that I'm happy. For what now?
So if you don't want to be with her, then why did you invite her to the getaway?
Trust me, I don't even know.
Listen, I don't understand you anymore, Justin. Honestly speaking, if you don't want to be with Ziki, there is no point leading her on. Let the poor girl be. Do you understand? And as for Lily, for 5 years you've been chasing a woman. Do you need a soothsayer to tell you that she is not interested in anything else other than the friendship that the both of you share? Stop building castle in the air. She doesn't like you and you will never get her.
I swear to God, she must like me. I cannot be farming for how many years? Farm for how many years? Cultivate this bush, do everything, and she'll say she don't want me. I'll just there keep a crate of egg, and one snake will come and lick it. Blood go flow. Blood go surplus, everywhere go scatter. I don't agree.
Justin, listen, snake or crocodiles, I do not care. Here's the thing, please behave yourself. It's been too much trouble from you since we came here. We came here to relax, let our head down and mingle, socialize like civilized and mature people. I don't want this drama anymore.
I know you support. I know you support biracial. Is that not what you do? Because I'm not biracial. Hey, Mr. Abuga, go here now.
Nonsense.
Please, can you sit down?
You know what? This whole getaway thing is such a crazy idea.
Why are you talking like that now?
Listen, Tokwe. The only reason why I came for this journey is because I lost my mom. And I had to, use this to while away time, so I just forget about the whole situation. But look at what it has gotten into. This is just a bad idea.
Why didn't you tell anyone about it?
What will it change? Sympathy? And what next?
But I told you about myself. We all did. Have you known that he always liked you?
Justin? Yes. But I told him I didn't fancy him. I thought he accepted it. I didn't know he had something else in mind. I mean, I was shocked at what he was saying earlier. We have been best friends for 5 years, Tokwe.
So, do you like Harry?
Hell no.
But you told him you like him.
I was drunk. I mean, you can't bank on that.
Are you sure?
I don't like him. I mean, he's not my kind of man.
All right then. So just calm down. It's nothing for you to walk yourself over.
Can you look into my eyes and tell me what is on my mind? have no answer to respond to me. Oh, you cannot judge me now. Oh, how much I love you. Oh, how much I love you. How much I love you. Oh,
Fool.
Yeah.
Pregnancy craving must be crazy.
It is.
Women, you guys are so superhumans. You know, it's amazing stuff. Look at that.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I really can't wait to meet her.
Her?
Yes, her.
You had a scan?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I had a scan.
Wow. And that's how you knew she was.
Yeah, that's a she. A beautiful girl.
Oh, wow. I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet her as well. Oh, she would be as beautiful as you. There you go, blushing. You don't know you're beautiful. You are beautiful. Very beautiful. Extremely beautiful.
Thank you.
Even if she decides not to be with me, she can't be with a man she barely knows. A man she just met. Ha, wait oh. Is that how ugly looking or low she thinks of me? Me. No, Justin, no.
You know it's a bad habit to take what doesn't belong to you, right?
Pardon?
That's my cup of coffee.
How is it your cup of coffee? Justin makes coffee for me every morning, so?
Yeah, well, I made this coffee. I just went upstairs to pick up my call. So please, can you hand it over?
I don't understand. What evidence do you have that it's your coffee?
If you really hate me that much, I think you should stay off my path.
Guys, I brought a game of cards. Let's play. Stanley, Ziki, Justin, Lily. Hi. I want us to play. I brought a game of cards.
Hey, I heard you call me. What's up?
Game of cards. Let's play, please.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love cards. I'm game, definitely. As a matter of fact, I'm the game myself. Listen, when I was in the university, I paid my way through school playing cards. I'm a pro.
Oh.
And I'm going to prove that this is not just an empty threat.
Okay.
I'm going to prove it. Let's go. Who's sharing? Who's first?
I'm sharing.
All right. Ah! Hey, are you scared I'm going to whoop your ass on the table on the game of cards? Come on, move, man.
Is he okay? Are you okay?
Harry, what's going on? He's pretending he's scared that he knows what I can do on the board.
Okay.
You don't look fine, man.
Let's go!
Stop running scared of me. Come on, have a seat. Stop running scared. Stop. Hey, stop running scared of me. Sit down and get whooped. It's an ajabota, actually.
Okay. So I start from me.
Okay.
No. You start from me first.
Okay.
Don't be selfish.
Okay.
Let's play
So
this game,
you
Don't be
we have
selfish.
Harry, we have Lily, we have Ziki, have myself, we have you, we have Justin, Harry, Lily, Ziki, me, you again, you again,
That should be enough.
you again, you, and you, and you. So,
Okay, let's play.
No, plus one. You have to.
Okay, oh.
No. Yours.
On the, okay.
Alright. Let's go.
So,
Who's playing? You now, play.
Up. There we go.
That's the pro.
No, I'm the pro. Harry, you're next.
what's that smell?
Smell? What smell? I can't perceive anything.
Let's play now.
What do you mean you guys can't perceive that? It's a very awful smell.
No, I can't perceive anything. Can you?
Let's play.
Harry, are you okay? Why are you sweating under the AC?
Harry?
I'm fine, guys.
Okay, let's play, please. Let's play. No, hang on.
I'm okay.
Alright.
What? Oh. What? Let me check.
Let's play.
Lily,
What's so bad?
this guy's big.
Who's playing?
What's happening?
Who played like you? Was it you? Okay, so the way you played.
Okay.
Guys, I think I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, I think I can play for them.
No, you can't. What's going
Let me
on?
play for them. Let's play.
These guys, what are these guys up to? Like, they're either putting up an act because they don't want to be hang on, they don't want to be whooped by the pro, or they're going upstairs to, do they?
Oh, let's just start that play.
Let's start over.
Justin, what did you do to them? Tell me that you did something to them.
Like what? What are you trying to say? It's a prego, mind your business. What is the meaning of that?
Calm down.
No, it's annoying now.
No, you're always
What's
going,
that?
Alice. Calm down. What are you trying to say?
What are you trying to say? Prego, let's play. Let's not talk. Let's play what you came here to play. Play what you came here to play. Don't say something.
Oh, just respect yourself now. What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Did you hear those sounds?
What sounds? Is that the gunshots I'm hearing?
It seems like
You got shot too. What? Leave me! You want to leave me like this? Come.
Justin!
Robin! Jesus Christ. Son of God. Tell your father. I don't want to die today.
Justin, can you just keep it down?
Listen, guys, listen very attentively, right? I suggest that we stay down. Please, for safety, so that nobody gets it back.
No.
Sit. Go down.
No, see. I suggest let's stay together better than staying down. The most important thing is staying together. Please, my people, come, stay together.
Yes. Look at how scared you are. Leave me.
You hear them? There are many. Hey, Prego, what is wrong with Prego again?
Shut your mouth.
Just calm down and stop panicking.
Prego should not have come. When I say Prego should not have come. Oh, if Prego die now, they will say Prego die. You don't let me be in between togetherness is key. Prego, go now. Hey. Shut up, Quiet. And I said it. You think I'm joking? So this is how I will die. Listen to that. So I'll just come here and die like that. I'll just come to die in this place where I don't know anybody. This no man's land.
Stop it. You're scaring the women.
You just leave me alone. You leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. Leave me alone.
Justin, what is the matter?
What do?
Why are you being hysterical and pissing about all over the place? You don't help your matters by doing that. In a situation like this, listen to five straight bullets.
Stay bullets. Jesus, hey! Don't you think we should run away? You should just follow the bank around. Don't you think so? Go. Which one is in the future of again? Which one think? Would they rob me alone? Don't let me.
What is wrong with you, Justin? You see why I didn't even want to date you at the first place? I mean, how will I even date a man that can't even protect me?
You are very wicked. No. You know you are a very wicked person. Eh? Is it only by physical protection? Don't you realize the fact that I would have given you more than physical protection? I would have given you emotional and spiritual support.
Oh, please, man up. Man up, Justin. What is that?
See the way you are talking. I can see through you. See how you're talking. I wished I put all the pills into your coffee. Trust me, by now you'd have pooped your intestine out.
What?
Yes.
Justin. So you are the one that spiked my coffee.
It was you?
Justin, why would you do a thing like that? That's mean.
See, you should just leave me alone. All of you, you, and you should leave me alone. Eh? Were you not here when this biracial stole my woman? Were you not here?
What woman?
You!
I can never date a man like Harry. I can't even have anything to do with him.
And what kind of man am I exactly? Can you explain?
A man who has sex with a woman he just met on the first night, almost immediately.
And who did I have sex with?
On the first night,
When I was in my room, I heard moaning sounds. And I came out of mine and I saw you zipping your pants. You had sex with Ziki.
Ziki? Fornication upon fornicators.
What?
Ziki, fornicators. I should have known.
What? And who had sex with who?
Hold on, guys. I don't know what's going on here. What are you guys talking about?
Well, if you must know, on the first night we arrived, oh boy, you never sleep.
No, I never sleep, bro. This match is mad, man. These guys are looking like these guys are going to win this game. I don't know.
I realize they're hungry. We'll go downstairs, go chop something for kitchen.
I'm at the age to, I beg, help me now, help me arrange something.
They're hungry, you know toxins.
I'm at the age, no vex, I beg.
Why yo, man? Why yo?
Oh, the match, man, is this game, I swear. I can't stop, I can't take my eyes off it. You know, you hear the sound from these guys, bro.
Sound? Oh boy.
Wrestling.
Boy.
Royal Rumble.
Boy. I don't know, say the guy get chemistry with the girl like that.
That guy is something else.
Has anything shocked me? Small but mighty. Oh boy.
I never had my ear don't deaf since.
I beg, may I go chop? Free me, I beg. Free me. May I go chop?
You too like gossip.
Can you look into my eyes and tell me what is on my mind? If you have no answer to respond to me, oh, you cannot judge me now.
So it was you and Ziki? Why want something with me when you already have something with her?
See, you really don't understand. I don't want Ziki. I might want, or maybe, but I don't want Ziki. I don't.
And what exactly do you mean by you don't want Ziki? But you like her body, right? You like sleeping with her.
Single prego. Stay out of this. This is not your department.
No, I won't stay out of this. I mean, what is wrong with you? Why do most of you men see women as some objects that you can just use and toss away like that?
Why will you not talk?
You better get your act straight and start acting your age. Don't act like a child.
Go have your time. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Listen to me, guys. I think we need to leave this house. Okay, we need to leave this house.
Where?
I don't know, somewhere across the fence, just out of this place.
Berisha, across the fence. If you have a death wish, me I don't have a death wish. I don't want to die. I want to go across the fence.
Dear,
I shall not go across the fence. I'm not.
if you have a better idea, please tell us, because if we stay here, we are most likely to die. Go out of here, we're most likely to live or maybe die. But this is not the best.
Stupid getaway is this for crying out loud. The man I'm even there for doesn't want me.
Shh, can you guys just
And
keep
now this
quiet?
I'm gonna die. No, just like that.
Ziki, no one is going to die, okay? Just stay calm.
Listen, everyone. Calm down. Don't anyone. Now, here's a suggestion I want to make. I'll suggest that we all go into a single room upstairs and wait there. It is safer for us to be together in one place than everybody.
Okay, great. Let's go move to one place and then these people come in. How do we escape? How do we escape? That's the end.
What is wrong with Justin? What is wrong with him?
she's gonna die,
God forbid. Be positive.
I know, but let's not lie to ourselves. Look at her condition. Huh? It's okay.
Where is Harry and Stanley? They should be back by now.
Okay.
Why do I have this feeling that both of them have died? And I'm sure that they shall die first. Yes!
Yeah, you'll be fine, okay?
You know what? Please, let me just go look for network.
Okay, be careful, okay? Be careful.
Wait, what is wrong with this apartment? Why is everything about this apartment just bad? What is wrong with this place? What is wrong?
Justin, can you just shut up?
Don't even talk that! No talk like that, don't talk that! You have lost the privilege to tell me anything like that. Don't!
If you don't shut up, I will shut it up for you. What is your problem?
Shut what? You can also nothing. What?
You're already mad. Talk way, you'll be fine, okay?
Hello? Hello, good evening, sir. Yes, Ezekiel. I'm not fine, sir. Sir, please, I need your help. I need your help, sir. Sir? Hello?
Hey, God, you see them? You see them?
To where? We have to leave now, even if it means flying over the fence.
Me and Mary cannot fly first, so we'll not meet, they did not kill us. No!
You cannot hear me. Please, we have to leave. If they break in this door and enter this apartment, we are dead.
Hey, God, no!
Try and leave, please. Please, I know, but you have to. Please, you have to, please. Tokwe, you have to. Please.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. No, I'm not going. No, I'm not going. I'm not going. I will sleep. They will not kill me in my dream. I will sleep. If they kill me, I'll close my eye. I'll go. I'm not go. I'm not go. I'm not going. No, I'm not going. I'm not going. You're not going. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Easy, take it.
Yeah, no, yeah, really, this one.
Just in case.
Leave me alone. If I die now, what would you say? Oh, this is how people die, you. What will I tell people? This is what I'm saying. She should not be here. See how she's walking now. You walk, I beg.
Easy.
Who's calling me? Yeah. Jesus. Yeah.
Open this door. If I break it, you will regret it.
Let's just open the door.
Are you mad? Open my door! Shut up! What are you saying? Don't say anything, okay? Don't say anything. What's
if I go, I will carry you before. When I go, push my dash. Push my dash. Yes.
Una sorry you. I hope nobody was raped, Sha. That's how they've been terrorizing people around you. I'm happy they've been caught.
First time all of this is happening.
First time, Kwanu. Now only God they save us for you. House where person take money rent to drink water drop cup na wahala. You go to sleep for night. Now you go. I'm shocked too. I don't know why Miss Juliet didn't let you guys know the happenings before letting this result.
Woman, keep your mouth shut and say what you know.
See this girl who? What's happen? No insult me. Shana because you get money.
Go back to your space and mind your business. The police have taken care of the case already.
Same old story. Okay.
Go back to your house.
Who can I go with God, eh?
Please leave. Alright, everyone. I apologize. I want everyone to calm down and feel relaxed.
See, I think all of this makes sense right now because why is there no security man at the gates?
Please, I don't want you to believe anything that woman said. She's fond of spreading fake information. Please.
So does that mean your apartment doesn't have a gate?
That's...
Ask a question, answer.
That's...
Listen, one of us, Tope, was rushed to the hospital this morning. Maybe she had a miscarriage because of this whole thing. She came into this apartment, pale and hearty, and now she's a mess. Because I really do not know what all this thing is all about.
Oh, please, I want you to...
All of you are still here? Can't we just go? What is wrong with all of you? Can we just go already?
No, you can't leave. You still have 2 more.
I can't believe you guys are still here. I'm leaving. Alright, I'm leaving, guys.
You are the proud-headed family members.
Guys, please.
I come this place. I don't make money with find me home. I just feel like this your eyes always reveal like see this you enter sweet.
You guys need to relax.
You meet me for
please.
sweet.
You didn't carry my bag.
Why will I carry your bag?
Wait. Wait.
You are crazy.
You
Wait for me now. Wait, please. Don't go.
Guys,
You are still scared. What is wrong with just saying?
I'm not going to fear this kind of place.
Are you hurry?
Harry, I am sorry for judging you harshly. I'm sorry for jumping into conclusion the way I did.
Well, it's okay. I guess we learned a thing or two during this getaway.
I sure did. Well, there's something I want to say. I liked you the very first day I set my eyes on you. And that hasn't changed.
Guys! Lovebirds! If you guys want to go inside, you can go back inside. But let's just get out of this crazy environment. Please! Please!
Can you look into my eyes and tell me what is on my mind? If you have no answer to respond to,
They just left. We lost a guy and they managed to leave already. You guys are backsliding too much. See, I'm tired of all your stupid promises. All I need are results. God, I could swear that Harry guy had lots of money. See, there won't be any next time. If you guys do a stupid job next time, there won't be a next time. God.
Hi, Lily. Hi. Lily, please can I talk to you, please?
Talk to me about what?
I mean, I just want us to talk. Not for long, please.
Listen, Justin, I have an appointment with the client and I don't have time to be talking to you.
Okay, just a few minutes. I promise. Just a few minutes. I promise.
I'm listening.
Can we go back inside, please?
It's like you're not ready to talk. The moment my cab comes here, I'm leaving. Anything you want to say it here.
But at least can we go to a quiet environment? Somewhere not public, please. Can we just go there and talk?
Justin, are you ready to talk or not?
Okay. I know I fucked up, okay? I know I messed up big time. And I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry.
You're sorry. Justin, you think sorry is just the word you say without meaning it? Or you think I didn't know that you were trying to sleep with me?
Okay. Yes, I was trying to sleep with you, but that's not it. I wanted more. I was trying to build a relationship with you.
Please.
I want my best friend back. Please. I really do. I want you back. Please.
Justin, listen. We can't be friends anymore. I mean, it's not going to be like how it used to be.
Relax. We can always build it. We can build it from scratch to bottom again. We're going to do this good. Please. It's me. It's me, your guy.
Barely me.
Know what you're saying. Your guy. We want to do this. It's your guy. Please. Come on. Haba. Come on.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Come here.
I'm sorry.
That's good. That's good.
Sorry for using those harsh words on you.
It's okay. It's fine.
I didn't mean it.
It's fine. We're good. We're good. Yeah.
All right. I need to catch up, okay? By the way, Tokwe gave birth.
Tokwe? Oh, yeah. Stanley told me that already.
Really?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so when are we going to catch up?
So that you can get me drunk, Abby.
No, I know
See your eyes.
It's better.
You want to start?
It's better when you're drunk.
Bestie!
See you around. No, you cannot be angry.
So I hope you love the place. So you were talking about that particular place, right?
Yeah, there's something about that apartment, that particular.
No, you made mention of a particular one.
So I've discussed everything with the
Yeah.
company and paperwork is already done, right?
Yes. So I'm glad you love the apartment. Like,
You have the company's account number, right?
Yeah, sure, I do. I have it.
Be expecting your payment.
No problem. I'll send the money ASAP and come over for the documents.
Of course.
thank you so much. It was nice doing business with you. All right. Have a nice day.
You too. Hey, baby.
Right on time.
I'm always on time,
Oh,
babe.
someone is feeling proud. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you. Listen, Harry. Initially, it wasn't the best getaway. But now I know, and I can say, it's the best getaway ever. Like what most people would say. You find love in the most unusual places.
Yeah.
I didn't believe it, but now I do. I love you so much, Harry.
I love you too. Who has turned to a poet?
Oh, stop it.
Are you ready to go?
Always ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come in. Yeah, so this is our 5-bedroom, fully serviced and suite apartment. We have everything. Anything you want, 24/7 lights, there's gym, swimming pool, anything at your fingertip.
I'm sure I will.
Yeah.
Okay, madam.
Yes?
My name is Inspector Sandy from the State CID.
Okay.
Do you know one Mr. David Okonkwo?
No, doesn't sound familiar.
At all?
Nah.
I'm sure his face will.
I've never seen that face before.
You made a call to him 3 months ago, madam.
Sorry?
Yes.
I don't even know him. How can I make a call to him?
We have him in our custody, and he has confessed to every crime of yours.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm pretty sure there's a mix-up somewhere. You can't just arrest me. I didn't do anything.
Don't worry, madam. When we get to the station, we'll sort that out.
I can't follow you anywhere. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm innocent.
Please, move.
Please, can we talk about this?
I don't want to use force on you, madam.
Please, you guys, I don't know what
After
you're
you,
talking
please.
about. I'm innocent.
Just come with us.
Guys, I thought you wanted renting an apartment.
Open the door.
Oh God, what? Please, can we talk about?
You have no